This is what you can do with two drop saws that have got little sliding parts to them. What I've done here is taken a drill press, added a rod to it in there. This is actually from a trampoline, I think, and it can slide across like so. And then this one here is attached to this piece of wood, and this can slide across like so. It's pretty simple. But I now have quite a useful, I don't even know what you want to call it, sort of like a X and Y axes for a drill press. These two, this here is just connected up with the bolt through the side there, and you can get it square by adjusting this part here, and I can even adjust the angle down to about 45 degrees of the whole drill press if I wanted to, you know, rotate it and drill like that. Yeah, these here I picked up from Wanaka Waste Busters, about $5 each, and they're all bits of junk. I just used a hacksaw to cut off all the bits that I didn't need. Pretty simple, but pretty useful. Cheers.